Okay, you can see the headlight in my 2008 Equinox is pretty well shot. So made this video to show you how to replace the headlight. Okay, I started out in the front of the vehicle, popped the hood, and I'll prop that up. Then the next thing is I use a trim removal tool or a plastic item so I don't scratch anything up, and I'm going to remove this chrome piece that goes all the way across the front of the grille. Behind this piece there are a bunch of clips that hold it into place, and I'll show you those clips. I've got a few replacement clips because they tend to break after a few years. You can see the clips, they go into the holes in the front of the grille. Next, I'm going to use a 7mm to remove a few of these screws. There's one here, and then there's another one on the side over here. And there's also another one located down here, and that one's going to use a 10mm socket. So once I get that loosened up, I'll have to reach down there and pull that out, being careful not to drop it down into the bumper area. Once I get that out, I'll lift up on the tang here and go over to the side. There's a pin behind this, or a peg behind, that I want to pull straight forward. And I'll show you that once I get the headlight assembly out. And I got to get this side off as well. Make sure everything comes out at once. Once everything's loose, it should just pull forward. There we go. It's loose now. And you can see the peg I'm talking about right here. Next, all I need to do is disconnect all of the light bulbs. Now, the headlight bulb I would not touch with my hands because the oil from my hands could cause the life of the bulb to diminish. But I'm basically removing each bulb, and you can see I've got the headlight out. And then I'll just bring the new headlight assembly in and replace the bulbs in the same order that they were in the old headlight assembly. The headlight just pushes in there, and the ring on the outside locks it into place. Line up the peg to put it back in, and then push it backward. Make sure everything's lined up. It should snap right into place and line up with the body lines and the bumper. Then I can replace the screws that I took out. I have the one up top here. I have another one over here. Make sure it's lined up correctly with the hole. And then I can snug that screw down. And I have the other one that goes down here. I can get that one started by hand, and then use my 10mm socket. Next, I put my trim piece on the front, and I've replaced any clips that needed to be replaced. Those can be picked up on Amazon, and I just push where the pins are and they will snap into place. Go around to the other side and just push that into place. Now, once the headlight is installed, it's recommended to use the headlight aiming adjusters. There's one here and there's one here. And that's how you change the headlight assembly on a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all the updates. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.